Okay, so this is the pre-registration page where you all had pre-registered yourself for the program Metagenomics, and you will be able to find all the details of the syllabus and also the outcomes of each and every session, the topics and the outcomes and the associated resources as well on this page itself. And while you scroll down on the page itself, you will find 4 live sessions that we have planned for the session. And these 4 live sessions will be on overview of methods and applications for metagenomic sequencing and analysis, big data analysis platform, metagenomics analysis on the T-Bioinfo server. So here we'll be training and also get some good hands-on practice with the pipelines on the server. And to mention, the participants of the metagenomics program will be getting the educational license where they can run their pipelines on the server and analyze the data as well. The third live session will be on interpretation and meaning, that is statistical analysis, visualization, and interpretation using R. And the fourth one will be a very interesting one, which includes the future directions for full metagenomic sequencing, metatranscriptomics, and functional analysis. And we'll be having 2 guest speaker sessions as well, where on January 8th, that is actually before the program begins, Dr. Gareth Trouble will be talking about unraveling the hidden potential of active microbial and viral communities. And the second guest speaker session will be by Dr. Christopher M. Taylor. And we have Dr. Chris here with us. So we welcome you, Dr. Chris. And the session will be on metagenomics and microbial communities. And this session will be on 21st of January at 3 p.m. CST. So here is the whole schedule of the program, and also now let's talk about the registration. So to register yourself for the program, so here we received your pre-registration as your interest to invite you for the free webinar. So many of you get confused with both of the registrations type. Now to enroll yourself for the program, you need to visit the program page on the learn.OmicsLogic portal. And you will be able to find the link here in the chat box. Okay, so once you are here on the program page, again, you'll be able to first of all see the whole session schedule along with the dates, the topics to be covered and the associated resources. And these all resources are linked. So this is for the program participants that once the session has been completed, you will be able to find, I think the session dates are to be updated. Okay, so once the session has been completed, you will be able to look at the session video under each of the sessions. That is, after each session is completed, the recording of the same session will be uploaded under the sessions tab. And also you can watch and go through the recording and complete the resources here on the program page itself. Now to enroll yourself for the program, you need to scroll down where you will get 3 levels. The first one is the beginner level, the second is the intermediate level, and the third one is the advanced level. Now, what is the difference between these 3 different levels? So in the beginner level, you all will be able to be a part of the group sessions that we are going to conduct. And the intermediate level, those who require some extra training or have some extra questions to ask or need more precise help from the mentors, then they can go ahead with the intermediate training where they'll get one-on-one mentor support. And in the advanced license, the program participants will be able to work on a research project, and for that research project they're going to get some extra time period along with the usual 1.5 month time period of the program. So that is the difference between these 3 different level types. Now you can enroll or like pick any of the subscription levels that answers your requirements the best. And also when you scroll down, you'll be able to find a list of the program coursework that is associated with this particular program and the certificate that you will be getting on the completion of this particular program. So that was the simplest way how you can enroll yourself for this particular metagenomics program. Now, if you have any queries, please let me know in the chat box so that we can answer your questions. Okay, so if there are no more questions, I would like to put in, oh, we have a question. Yes, thank you, Sparsh. So you can reach out to us at marketing@omicslogic.com for any of the queries, and we'll be able to help you out with your questions and assist you with your enrollment for the program. So the first session of the program is on January 10th, and the first session is a free session, and everyone can be a part of the session and go through the introductory topics at first and get insights of what all would be covered and how the program would be working. So that was all for today's session. I would like to thank you all for being a part of the session. And if your questions were unanswered, or if you have any other question that might struck after this particular webinar, please feel free to mail us. Yes, definitely, Alex. There are career opportunities. Now, all these training programs that are being conducted, they are designed in this way. So, as Ilya also mentioned, we focus on project-based learning. So, yes, there are definitely career opportunities that you will get, like you will be able to get yourself a lot of these opportunities after completing these sorts of trainings that OmicsLogic conducts, which will help you sharpen the topics definitely, and also help you give a clear picture of how the concepts or the methodologies could be applied to solve a real life research problem and do the analysis. Yes, Satya. Satya, we will, for your questions, Parsh will be reaching out to you, and she'll let you know like what the research fellowship program is and how it works and how you can proceed from a research fellow to an intern with OmicsLogic. And please put your mail ID in the chat box so that Parsh can reach out to you, or you can directly reach out to marketing@omicslogic.com. Yes, Sophia, we have few scholarships for the program as well. So we'll be able to share with you all the scholarship form. So just after this particular webinar, I'm going to share the recording of the webinar. And along with the recording, I'll also share the scholarship forms that the participants can fill out. Now, in the scholarship form, you are required to submit your curriculum vitae, and after reviewing your application, we will let you know what scholarship we can provide you for this particular program. Now, to make sure that you receive the mails from our end, please make sure that you add marketing@omicslogic.com to your mail address book, because we have been interacting with a lot of users. Sometimes the mail gets into spam or maybe promotional box. So to get the mails in your inbox, don't forget to add the marketing@omicslogic mail address to your